SADC leaders say they're extremely concerned about the outbreak of Mpox. The Democratic Republic of Congo has recorded most cases of Mpox. The disease has spread to neighboring countries like Burundi, Kenya, Rwanda and Uganda. Some 24 cases have been reported in South Africa, including 3 deaths and 19 recoveries.
Summit also noted the Mpox situation on the continent and in the SADC region. The declaration by the World Health Organization of Mpox as a public health emergency of international concern, the declaration of Mpox as a public health emergency of continental security by Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, respectively, and urged member states to strengthen disease surveillance, diagnosis testing, and clinical care, infection prevention and control, as well as awareness raising of the disease at all levels of the community.
The regional bloc says there must be concerted efforts to support countries affected by Mpox.
Summit extended solidarity and support to member states affected by Mpox and further requested the World Health Organization, Africa CDC and partners to avail resources towards the Mpox response in the region. Summit directed the Secretariat to convene an urgent meeting of ministers of health to assess the impact of Mpox and facilitate coordinated regional response to control the spread of the disease.
Some common symptoms of Mpox include rash, fever, headache, muscle aches, back pain and low energy. Authorities also say anyone can contract the disease regardless of age, gender, sexual orientation and race. Current data suggests that people living with HIV and men who have sex with men are vulnerable to Mpox.
It's clear that a coordinated international response is essential to stop these outbreaks and save lives. A public health emergency of international concern is the highest level of alarm under international health law.
Meanwhile, over 60 million people in southern Africa have been affected by devastating drought.
The continued effects of climate shocks, including the El Nino-induced drought, weighed down on our anticipated progress as a region. Our renewed resolve, unity of purpose and enthusiasm should see us improve the space and scale of implementing our decisions towards the achievement of our shared aspirations.
SADC leaders have approved and signed the SADC Declaration on accelerating action to end HIV/AIDS as a public health threat in the region by 2030. Khayelihle Khumalo, SABC News, Johannesburg.